This is great, Carly.
Oh, this is awesome.
Oh, look at these bunny
Oh,
ears.
this is so cute. Oh, a desert. Oh, yeah.
Nurse Elmo is ready to help.
Firefighter Carly reporting for duty.
Because we're
Special helpers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Elmo. Hey, Carly.
Oh, hi, Sophia.
Hi. Oh, nice costumes. What are you playing?
Oh, Elmo and I are playing dress up. Today we're dressing up as special helpers.
Yeah, that's right. Elmo is a nurse who helps keep people's bodies healthy.
Yeah, and I'm a firefighter. I help keep people safe from fires.
Oh, well, that's amazing. Can I play? You know, I'm a special helper, too.
Sophia is really cool. But, where's your costume?
This is my costume.
Oh.
This is what I wear when I do my job.
Ah.
I am a therapist, a counselor. I'm a feelings helper.
Oh, a feelings helper.
That's right. Everyone has big feelings sometimes. But a feelings helper can help when children's big feelings get too big.
Oh. You know, Elmo's daddy helps him with his big feelings. Like if Elmo's feeling sad, Elmo's daddy gives him a great big hug.
Oh, that's wonderful, Elmo. You know, you can always talk to a caring grown-up. And sometimes people need a little extra help, too.
Oh, that's when a feelings helper can really help.
That's right. When our big feelings keep us from doing things that we really want to do, like learning or sleeping.
Yeah, and playing.
And having fun?
When big feelings get so big, it can really help to talk to a therapist or counselor and spend time doing therapy and counseling together.
Yeah, my mom and I both have our own feelings helpers, and sometimes we go to therapy together.
Oh.
Yeah, lots of kids and grown-ups go.
Oh, well, what happens in therapy?
Oh, when I go to therapy, I talk about my feelings and things that I can do to help me feel better.
Oh.
We listen, draw, play, practice our deep breathing, and lots of other things.
Wow. Being a feelings helper sounds like a really important job.
Oh, it really is.
Hey, since we're all in our special helpers costumes, let's play!
Yeah! Oh, Nurse Elmo will use his stethoscope to listen to people's hearts.
Oh, and I'll use my hose to put out fires.
Yeah!
Oh, and I will use my ears to listen, my eyes to notice, and my mouth to talk.
Oh. Hey, Elmo knows something else he can use to help people.
What's that, Elmo?
Elmo can use his arms to hug.
Oh, get in here, Sophia. Ah, it's a nice hug.